Okay.
How effective are you when it comes to your health? Do you take your health the way we look for money? The way you look for money, do you take care of your health that way?
Of course I do.
So what are the things you do that?
If I'm sick, I make sure I get medication, or I go to pharmacies, tell them my health condition, and then they'll give me drugs, they'll prescribe drugs for me to take.
Have you ever done anything, taken any precautionary methods? For instance, you're not yet sick, but you go to do your necessary vitals.
Yes.
Like check your BP, check your blood sugar, check your weight.
I think you don't have to fall sick before you need to take medications. So you have to take your medication before. Nobody's praying for sickness, So you just have to take your medication. Should in case you don't know when you might fall sick. So you take your medication regularly,
When last did you go for a BP check?
A BP? I didn't actually go for a BP, but I know I was sick.
Okay.
So that was last week.
Okay.
That was before I fell sick. I went to a pharmacy and they gave me drugs.
Okay, but you're better now?
Yes, I'm okay.
Thank God. But do you know that it's important that at least every 3 months, because I can see that you're still a young girl.
Yeah.
Every 3 months, you go and check your BP, your blood sugar, and some other vitals. You know that is very important.
Of course it is.
Because you find out that a lot of people these days, even young people, you just hear stories that she collapsed and died, she slept and did not wake up. And it's because we don't take these things very seriously. Okay, so I just want to encourage you that you can walk into any pharmacy, check your BP, check your blood sugar, and whatever vitals that can be carried out. It's not expensive.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for answering my question.
Thank you
you are so pretty. You are beautiful.
Thank you so much.
I hope you're not eyeing this girl like this one. Oh my God! My God! All right, thank you. All right, have a lovely Saturday. Do you take care of your health at all?
Once in a while.
When you say once in a while, what do you do to take care of your health? As a lady, what do you do to take care of your health?
Can't really say, but I shall do that. I should take care of myself.
How? Do you go for checkups? Do you go for tests? What do you know about high blood pressure?
I don't know anything. What they say if you are young, you don't used to have it now. That's what they used to say. Say if you are young, you don't have high blood pressure. So, but you not pass paracetamol. That's finished.
Okay. Well, you know that when you're young, you can still do your breast check. Have you been taught how to check your breast for lumps? Yes.
Breast that have not even grown very well.
Yes.
Hi.
You start learning to check your breast for lumps. You've not heard about doing breast checks yet?
I've not heard though.
Okay. Thank you, Morenike. I appreciate you. Are you online?
Yes.
Take that one. What do you know about HIV/AIDS?
What I know about HIV? What I know is a woman and a man have something and the man have infection inside. You give it to the woman.
So you think that HIV or AIDS is only contacted through sexual intercourse? Yes. But do you know that you can go to the salon? You can contact it from the salon, barbing salon, hair salon. Those of you that do pedicure and manicure and all that, it's just not necessarily sex. Do you know that now?
Yes.
That you can be contacted in any way. You can be contacted when you exchange saliva.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Are you aware of that?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, so how often are you supposed to check your HIV status? Have you ever done HIV tests before?
No.
Not yet.
Yes.
Why?
I'm too young for that now.
Well, I've just told you that it's not only through sex.
I'm just 18. No, I'm too young for that. I'm not checking.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. What do you know about breast cancer?
No.
You have no idea. But you know that as a lady, you get to a particular age, you're advised to start checking your breast. Do you know about the exercise that women do to check their breasts?
No.
You have no idea. Okay. Thank you very much. All right. Okay. Now tell me, what do you know about high blood pressure?
High blood pressure? I've seen it because I don't study anything about that.
You've not read anything, you don't know anything about high blood pressure. You don't know that there is a risk that most times people that just slump and die is because of a spike in their blood pressure.
I've heard that one, but not really like that. I'm not going into it.
So you've not, by yourself, gone into a pharmacy or healthcare center to say, oh, please, I want to check my BP or my blood sugar.
No.
You haven't. I think you should start doing that henceforth.
Okay, how are you?
All right, thank you very much. Okay, Blackbeard, as a man, what do you know about prostate cancer?
Please, I'm going somewhere, honestly
Last
speaking.
Last question.
Well, that I can't say anything about that, please.
So you don't know how often you should get checked, what causes it, and what have you?
Well, to me, I don't actually sick, and I'm always thank God for that. You know, even I don't take drugs.
Oh, really?
Honestly speaking.
What do you use?
Well, I prefer to take.
Herbs.
You know, when we were small, my grandma used to give us some kind of concoction anyway. And to be sincere, once you make it and use it to bath us, we are done.
Oh, I love that.
So I don't take paracetamol, I don't take anything. I'm not used to drugs. Like if I'm sick now and you are giving me different kind of drugs, it affects my system.
Oh, really?
My stomach I won't get myself anymore.
So the herbs you take, they work perfectly for you. Malaria, headache, what have you.
Yes.
When last you go and do a checkup? BP,
Oh
blood
no,
sugar?
there was a time I was involved in an accident.
Oh, so sorry.
So which I think about 1 year plus now.
Oh, so sorry.
So and I thank God. I did my checkup because of my leg. I do go check up 6 months.
Every 6 months.
Yes.
All right, sir. Thank you so very much.